Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Wemo smart lights with Apple Home scenes step by step clearly. Open the Apple Home app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select Add Scene from the menu options. Give your new scene a name, like Evening Relaxation. Choose an icon that represents the scene if desired. Tap Add Accessories to select the Wemo smart lights. Scroll through your list of devices and select your Wemo lights. Adjust the brightness and colors according to your preference. Tap Next to proceed to the next screen. You will see a summary of the scene you just created. Tap Done to save your new scene. Now, you can access your scene from the Home app's main screen. To test your scene, tap on its icon. Your Wemo smart light should adjust to the settings you specified. If you want to activate the scene with Siri, make sure to enable Siri integration. Hold down the Home button or say Hey Siri to activate voice commands. Say the name of the scene you created. Your Wemo smart lights will turn on according to your preset adjustments. Adjust any settings within the scene if needed by returning to the Home app. You can create multiple scenes for different moods or occasions. Enjoy the convenience of your automated lighting setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.